Hi, Bestie viewers! Baking soda is one of the most widely used ingredients in baked goods. This simple chemical compound, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is found in crystalline form in nature, but is ground to a fine powder for use in cooking. Beyond these common applications, though, especially in the medical field, its advantages are extensive. From reviving your health to rejuvenating your home, baking soda emerges as a silent hero in a multitude of scenarios. In today's video that we have for you, we will discuss the top 11 powerful baking soda hacks that will not only elevate your wellness routine, but also transform your living space. Also, stick to the end of the video to find out the potential downsides of using baking soda in daily life. 1. Neutralizes stomach acid. The presence of hydrochloric acid is vital for digestion and killing bacteria. However, its excess may lead to discomfort and heartburn. As baking soda mixes with stomach acid, it combines with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride, common table salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. This reaction progressively reduces the acidity in the stomach by decreasing the amount of hydrochloric acid, effectively neutralizing it. A half teaspoon of baking soda mixed with 1 glass of water is a typical dosage. However, it's important to note that this is a temporary remedy for heartburn and not a long-term solution. For example, when used in excessive amounts, sodium bicarbonate has the ability to neutralize stomach acid, which may result in elevated levels of bicarbonate in the blood. 2. Oral health. The mouth is naturally a battleground for bacteria, which thrive in acidic environments. These bacteria are responsible for tooth decay and gum disease as they feed on the sugars in our diet and produce acid as a waste product. Baking soda, being a mild base, neutralizes these acids on the outside. By increasing the pH level, baking soda helps create a less hospitable environment for harmful bacteria, thereby reducing the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. Additionally, baking soda's physical properties come into play. Its granular yet not overly harsh texture makes it an effective yet gentle abrasive. When used as a toothpaste or added to toothpaste, it helps in mechanically removing plaque, a biofilm of bacteria and food residues adhering to the teeth. This mechanical action is gentle enough not to wear down tooth enamel, but sufficient to help dislodge food particles and bacterial plaque from the teeth and gum line, contributing to a cleaner mouth and fresher breath. Extensive research showed that baking soda dentifrice was significantly more effective in reducing plaque in single-use experiments. It also moderately improved gingival bleeding indices. It may be used in a few different ways for oral health. It may be made into a paste by mixing it with water and used to brush the teeth. Alternatively, it may be used as a mouth rinse by dissolving a teaspoon in a glass of water. 3. Skin care. When applied to the skin, the alkaline nature of baking soda temporarily neutralizes skin acidity, providing relief from the itching and irritation associated with conditions like bug bites or mild rashes. In addition to this, when mixed with water and gently massaged onto the skin, the fine particles of baking soda act as an exfoliant, sloughing off dead skin cells without causing excessive irritation, contributing to a brighter, smoother complexion. Moreover, when used as a cleansing agent, baking soda may help absorb excess oil and remove impurities from the skin's surface. Its mild antiseptic properties also help to reduce the risk of bacterial infections that may exacerbate acne and other skin conditions. While sodium bicarbonate does not treat eczema, it may help to reduce the itching that this condition causes. The National Eczema Association recommends adding 1/4 cup of baking soda to a warm, not hot, bath and soaking for 10 to 15 minutes. Following this, moisturizing the skin after gentle drying is advisable to mitigate any risk. 4. Boosting laundry detergent. Most detergents are designed to perform optimally in slightly alkaline conditions. Baking soda, being alkaline, raises the pH level of the laundry water. This shift in pH enhances the detergent's ability to break down and lift away dirt and grime from the fabric. The elevated pH helps to soften the water by binding with minerals such as calcium and magnesium, which are often responsible for hard water conditions. Hard water may impede the effectiveness of detergent by preventing it from lathering properly and by leaving mineral deposits on clothes. By softening the water, baking soda ensures that the detergent may work more effectively, leading to cleaner laundry. Additionally, baking soda has natural deodorizing properties. It doesn't just mask odors, it neutralizes them. Many odors are acidic, and when baking soda comes into contact with these acidic compounds, it neutralizes them, effectively removing the odor from the fabrics. This reaction contributes to fresher-smelling clothes as it tackles odor at its source rather than merely covering it up. 5. Cleaning grout. When tackling grout cleaning, the process typically starts with mixing baking soda with water to create a thick paste. When this baking soda paste is left to sit on the grout, it has time to react chemically with the dirt and grime. The natural alkalinity of baking soda helps to break down acidic substances like body oils or mildew, commonly found in bathroom grouts, by neutralizing them. This reaction loosens the hold of the stains on the grout, making them easier to remove. For more stubborn stains or deeper cleaning, vinegar, another household staple, is often used in conjunction with baking soda. When vinegar is applied to the baking soda paste, a chemical reaction occurs, producing carbon dioxide bubbles. This effervescent action helps to physically lift dirt and grime from the porous grout, enhancing the cleaning process. Finally, rinsing the area with clean water removes any remaining baking soda and lifted dirt, revealing clean, revitalized grout. Regular maintenance with baking soda may prevent the buildup of grime and keep grout looking cleaner for longer, avoiding the need for more aggressive cleaning methods. 6. Pest control. Pests such as ants, roaches, and rodents are deterred and affected by baking soda. Its texture and smell, though not offensive to humans, may be unpleasant to certain pests. Sprinkling baking soda in areas prone to pests may deter their presence, as they prefer not to walk through the powder. This method is particularly noted in the context of ants and may also affect the habitat preferences of other small insects and pests. It's important to note that while baking soda may be an effective tool for controlling pests, its application should be part of a broader integrated pest management strategy. This includes maintaining cleanliness, sealing entry points, and removing food sources, in addition to the targeted use of baking soda. Moreover, while baking soda is non-toxic and safe for use around children and pets, its effectiveness varies, and it may not be suitable for all types of infestations or pests. 7. Anti-fungal properties. Fungi thrive in acidic environments and require moisture to grow and proliferate. In the context of health, particularly in treating athlete's foot or other skin fungal infections, baking soda helps by drying out the infected area and reducing the itchiness associated with such conditions. When a paste of baking soda and water is applied to the affected skin, the drying effect of baking soda reduces moisture, depriving fungi of the damp environment they need. Furthermore, the soothing properties help alleviate symptoms like burning and itching, providing comfort during the healing process. Additionally, when applied to damp, mold-prone areas in the home, baking soda absorbs moisture, which is crucial for fungal growth. This absorption, combined with the alkaline pH disruption, effectively kills existing mold and prevents future growth. Regular cleaning with a baking soda solution may keep areas like bathrooms and kitchens free from fungal infestations, promoting a healthier living environment. According to a study, concentrations of 10 grams per liter of sodium bicarbonate inhibited 80% of 70 fungal strains from skin and nail infections. 8. Relieves urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections are typically characterized by a proliferation of bacteria in the urinary system, leading to pain, burning sensations during urination, and a frequent need to urinate. The bacteria responsible for UTIs often thrive in acidic environments, and the urine of infected individuals may become more acidic due to the body's immune response to the infection. By ingesting baking soda, you introduce more bicarbonate ions into the bloodstream, which the kidneys then filter out along with excess acid. This bicarbonate is excreted in the urine, raising its pH, making it more alkaline. When urine becomes more alkaline, it may help alleviate the symptoms of a UTI. Less acidic urine is less irritating to the inflamed tissues of the urinary tract, which may reduce the burning sensation during urination. Additionally, the altered pH may disrupt the bacterial environment, potentially slowing down bacterial growth and giving the body a better chance to fight off the infection. In a 4-week study, 33 women with urinary symptoms and acidic urine took 4 grams of sodium bicarbonate twice a day orally. After treatment, their urine became less acidic, pH increased, and they had fewer urinary problems like frequent urination, nighttime peeing, and urgency. 9. Enhances exercise performance. During vigorous exercise, particularly anaerobic activities like sprinting or lifting heavy weights, the body relies on a process called glycolysis for quick energy. This process breaks down glucose for energy without needing oxygen, but it has a significant byproduct: lactic acid. As lactic acid levels increase, it dissociates into lactate and hydrogen ions, the latter lowering the pH of muscle cells and leading to the acidic environment that causes muscle fatigue and soreness. This is where baking soda's role becomes critical. Sodium bicarbonate acts as a buffer in the body, meaning it helps maintain a stable pH by neutralizing acids. When ingested before exercise, baking soda may mix with bodily fluids and increase the blood and muscular pH levels, enhancing the body's buffering capacity. By delaying the onset of acid buildup-related muscle fatigue, this increased buffering capacity enables athletes to maintain intense exercise for longer periods of time. To optimize athletic strength, individuals often consider consuming baking soda in dosages ranging from 300 to 500 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. This is typically ingested approximately 1 to 2 hours before exercise, mixed with water. In recent years, baking soda has gained significant attention for its demonstrated potential to enhance performance, with improvements of up to 3% observed in athletes engaged in sports such as swimming and cycling. 10. Improves kidney function. In conditions like chronic kidney disease, the kidneys are less able to remove acid from the body, leading to a condition known as metabolic acidosis, where there is an excessive accumulation of acid in the body. When metabolic acidosis occurs, it may exacerbate kidney damage, further impairing kidney function in a detrimental cycle. When ingested, sodium bicarbonate dissociates into sodium and bicarbonate ions in the blood. These bicarbonate ions may then neutralize hydrogen ions, raising the pH of the blood back to normal levels and reducing the acidity. This buffering action may help alleviate the burden on the kidneys, as there is less acid to filter out and excrete. Furthermore, by reducing the level of acid in the blood, baking soda may also help ameliorate other complications associated with high acidity, such as bone degradation and muscle wasting, thereby improving overall health. In a study of 28 weeks, results showed that baking soda was well tolerated and more effective in reducing urinary ammonium and raising serum bicarbonate levels, but it also modestly increased urinary albumin excretion in patients with severe kidney conditions. 11. Weight management. Improved digestion and the alleviation of discomfort may indirectly support weight management by enabling individuals to adhere more closely to balanced eating plans without discomfort. When people eat a wide variety of foods without discomfort, they're more likely to consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, which support healthy weight management. By neutralizing excess stomach acid with a small amount of baking soda dissolved in water, individuals may experience relief from these digestive issues, potentially leading to better eating habits and a more comfortable digestion process. Additionally, the use of baking soda as an exercise enhancer, as discussed previously, may contribute indirectly to weight management. A study on 16 patients showed that infusing 150 milliequivalents of bicarbonate delayed the decline in blood lactate, which indicates improved metabolic balance. Thus, by supporting better metabolic health, baking soda may impact your weight loss journey as well. What are the potential downsides of using baking soda? While baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is widely praised for its versatility and array of uses, it's important to be aware of its potential downsides as well. 1. Sodium content. Baking soda is high in sodium. Consuming it in large amounts may lead to an increase in sodium levels in the body, which may be particularly problematic for individuals with hypertension. 2. Electrolyte imbalance. Overconsumption of baking soda may lead to electrolyte imbalances, particularly hypokalemia, low potassium levels, and hypochloremia, low chloride levels. These conditions may result in muscle weakness, cramps, fatigue, and, in severe cases, more serious health issues. 3. Alkalosis. If baking soda is used excessively, it may lead to a condition known as metabolic alkalosis, where the pH of the body's fluids becomes excessively alkaline. Symptoms of alkalosis may include confusion, tremors, irregular heart rhythms, and muscle twitching. 4. Not suitable for everyone. People with certain health conditions, such as kidney disease, should avoid using baking soda as a supplement or remedy, as it may exacerbate their condition due to its sodium content and alkaline nature. The versatile world of baking soda hacks for health and home offers a great deal. If you're considering incorporating baking soda into your health regimen or have existing health concerns, consulting with a healthcare professional is paramount. They may provide personalized advice and ensure that any new treatment or remedy, including those involving baking soda, is safe and appropriate for your specific health conditions and needs. Now that we have discussed the many benefits that baking soda offers, let's dive into other topics of interest. Interested in knowing more about tips and tricks to shed pounds easily? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more weight loss related videos. Shall we? Watch 16 healthy foods that help you lose the most weight. You may also try our video on 13 weight loss tips to get rid of your bloated belly fat. Go ahead, click one. Or better yet, watch both and learn more about weight loss and nutrition. Will you be incorporating baking soda into your daily routine from now on? Let us know in the comments below.